What is up, guys? This is Yix here at Magnum Crypto. Welcome to another video and thank you for coming. So today's video is about this right here. Is this the bull run? Now I'm going to get straight to the point. Well, actually, before we get to that point, I would very much appreciate if you like this video. I just want to reach a small target of 10 likes, and if you could also subscribe, that would be much appreciated, and I can continue to pump out videos. I mean, I know this is number 2, so it's not really pumping out, but that's the goal. You can do it! But yeah, let's get straight to the video and to the question. In my humble opinion, I don't think we've reached the bull run. To cut straight to it. And reason being is because of this. I created a chart, a very nice, pretty chart, I must say, nice colors, which should be on the screen now. And you can see that the bull run tends to center around what is called the Bitcoin halving. Some of you may know it, some of you may not, but this is basically when Bitcoin mining rewards get halved, and so what happens is the supply gets constricted, and economics basic supply and demand. When supply goes down, it tends to increase price. So that's the event that happens every 4 years or so. So if you look at the graph, you'll see that around November 2012, when the first halving occurred, there's 3 key stages that occurred around it, which leads up to it. And obviously you've got the bear market, which, when price is plummeting continuously, there's blood in the streets, emotions, there's a lot of fear and a lot of confusion. But you have a stage after this, which is the accumulation phase, where prices bottomed out, and it begins its climb up, but very slowly. So it's accumulating. This is the best time to invest normally, because you'll make your maximum return at this point up to the bull run. So it's climbing up, and then the halving occurs. And very shortly after, the bull run happens, where price just goes absolutely to the moon. And then we hit the peak, and the bear market starts again. So the peak is reached, we have the bear market in the red, and once price bottoms out, which again, this bear market is absolutely horrendous. When you're going through it, the emotions, you've got despair, fear, and all these other emotions. For the retail investors, they're the ones that normally suffer at this point. So anyway, it bottoms out, accumulation happens. So again, bear market, accumulation occurs straight after. Price slowly starts to build, starts to climb up again. And, again, this is the best time to invest, but also the most confusing time to invest, because it looks like the market is dead. You don't think it's going to go back up again, because this happens, in the time frame of months, years sometimes, So again, accumulation occurs. Then the next halving occurs in July 2016, and at this point we've accumulated quite a bit. Prices start to climb up, and shortly thereafter the bull run starts, and price just goes absolutely through the moon. Ending at the end of 2017, start 2018, and the bear market occurs again, and that's not too long from where we are. So we've already bottomed out around 3,000-4,000. Now we've begun accumulation, and I think, in my opinion, it's not financial advice, that we are still in this phase of accumulation, because price has only gone up about 300% since the bottom. Compared to what a good 4,000, 10,000% during previous bull runs. Although this is good price action, this is still the slow climb up. And, I believe we're still at the stage. Now, the next Bitcoin halving is in May 2020. Some of you may know that, some of you may not. But if you look at data and history and make a judgment from that, the accumulation phase and the bull run will be around this point, or the accumulation will end around this point, and the bull run will start around this point. It will not be exactly the same as before, but it will be around the area. It might be before, which is it hasn't done that yet. It might be, smack bang at that time, or it might be a month or so or two afterwards. But looking at data, this is going to be around the time that it'll happen. So the good news is that, there's a lot of time to invest now up until that point. So we're still very much in the slow climb up. Price will go up, but very slowly. So this is where you make the most money. This is where smart investors, start to put their positions, because they know that it's maximum return from, and it's a little downside at this point. So again, this is not financial advice, but, join the smart investor crew and start to place your eggs at this point. A £50 here, a $50 here from your salary every month will yield you a lot of profit in the long run. This, as the great investor Warren Buffett says, buy when price is low and sell when high. He says something about being greedy.
Wait a second. I'm getting an idea. No. False alarm. No, yeah, no, yeah, no. Wait, no, yeah, no, no. Yes!
Sell when everyone's greedy, and buy when everyone's fearful. Which is, the general sentiment in the market at this point is not quite fearful. We've gone past that, but still it's not confident. And these are times when you buy, compared to the bull run when everyone's greedy, everyone's euphoric, and everyone's overconfident that it's going to keep going on forever. That's when you sell. But it's much easier said than done. When you're going through those times, you catch that fever, the bull run fever, and you really think that price is going to go through, to the moon and never come back. But that's not reality. And that's where we will end the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I just want 10 likes. That's it. That's not a lot, is it? I'd really appreciate that. See you later.